NotebookLM is one of my favorite AI tools, as you guys know, and there is a major upgrade that Google has made to it because now NotebookLM is available inside of Google Gemini. Now, I'm not talking about when you open a new chat, you click the plus button to add details or add data. This is something entirely new called Google Notebooks. So instead of Gemini releasing projects as their own individual item, they just decided to do the smart thing that I've been waiting for them to do for a very long time. And they've integrated NotebookLM directly into the Gemini interface so that now, instead of having projects, we have Gemini notebooks, which are essentially NotebookLM notebooks imported and hosted, embedded directly inside of the Gemini interface. I'm excited about this update, but at the same time, I don't want to overcomplicate it. And so I'm going to try to help you understand it as quickly and as easily as possible. But the number one thing that you ought to be doing is looking at these notebooks as though they were projects, because essentially that's what they are. But they are projects on steroids. And if you watched any of my previous videos, then you know how big I am on projects because of the different capabilities they give the model. Now, this is going to put Gemini in a very interesting space in the weeks to come. And I expect a lot of people to start making more videos and more content around Gemini because Gemini notebooks are more powerful than ChatGPT Projects and even Claude Projects. I'll even go so far as to say they're more powerful than Claude CoWork Projects because of one caveat that I'll mention in just a moment. They're better than ChatGPT Projects because ChatGPT has this insane hard number limit on the number of files that you can upload, 20 files up to 512 megabytes a piece, when they should just say you can upload 10 gigabytes of data. We don't care how many files, as long as you're under this. Yes, you can use custom instructions inside of ChatGPT. Yes, you can set up custom workflows, but the hard limit there is 8,000 characters. Even NotebookLM has a 10,000 character limit. And I'm pretty sure that these notebooks inside of Google Gemini are going to have the same limit as Google Gems. And I've yet to find a limit to Google Gems. I've uploaded 13,000 character system prompts to Google Gems and haven't had any problems. And I expect the same thing from Google Notebooks. They're also better than Claude Notebooks. Claude Notebooks switch to a RAG system after you reach a certain portion. I believe it's 5% of your storage space. And so at that point, Claude begins to try to pull up the most relevant information. And so when it comes to RAG, you really just can't compare what Anthropic has released to what NotebookLM is. It is the #1 RAG on the market right now when it comes to corporate products that are released. Google is winning in that category hands down. So there's just really no comparison. And when it comes to Claude CoWork Projects, which are different from regular Claude projects, there's this one caveat that I've personally been experiencing. Don't know if you have, but inside of Claude Projects, I have not been able to use my Claude plugins. I don't know if that's a bug or if that was an intentional design. Either way, that is a deal breaker for me, because if you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, then you know that my plugins, my skills, that's my methodology, my workflows. And now, because of NotebookLM being embedded directly inside of Gemini, I'm going to be able to build these workflows over there so easy and take advantage of Gemini 3.1 right there in the chat without having to append a notebook. But that's not the only good thing about this update. You can also launch the notebooks right there inside of Gemini and then go to the AI Studio and create content and come back to Gemini. This is just going to be so fun for a lot of people, and I'm really glad to see that NotebookLM and Gemini have finally married each other, because they are truly the perfect couple, and I can't wait to see what people start building with this here. So overall, I'm really excited about this update, and I expect a lot more people to start uploading their own agentic custom instructions, their files and systems into NotebookLM and even inside of Gemini notebooks, and then storing those conversations right there, building these custom workflows, getting more work done. And the crazy part about all of this is that because Google is so big and so profitable, they're able to give us all of these different features, all of this AI and compute for a very low price. So it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out in the long run as they slowly integrate and add other features that compete with the major or leading platforms. If you got value out of the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, take care, have a great day. And if you want to get access to my content engine kit that's going to help you create content that actually attracts clients that you can absolutely use inside of NotebookLM, ChatGPT, or even Claude right now, then check out the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.